Welcome to TACLE Electrical and Machinery, your trusted partner in industrial automation, electrical engineering, machinery solutions, and innovation, powering industry, delivering excellence. At TACLE, we provide reliable electrical, mechanical, and industrial automation solutions designed to keep businesses operating efficiently. From PLC programming and HMI systems to industrial control panels, electrical components, machinery, and technical support, we help industries improve productivity through dependable engineering solutions. Our mission is simple: to deliver quality products, expert service, and innovative solutions that power growth across manufacturing, mining, agriculture, construction, and many other industries. Whether you're upgrading existing equipment, starting a new project, or looking for trusted industrial expertise, TACLE is your reliable engineering partner. Subscribe and join us as we share industry knowledge, product demonstrations, project highlights, and the latest innovations in electrical and machinery technology. TACLE Electrical and Machinery, powering industry, driving innovation.